Hi guys, what's up? My name is Sakshi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we are doing a May plan with me. Without wasting any further time, let's just get right into the video. So I've started the screen recorder on my iPad, and this is what the first page of the planner looks like. It just says student planner, and yeah, we're going to start off strong with just like a monthly plan page. We are going to plan out our entire month on this page. So starting off, we have quote of the month, which we're going to find on Pinterest in a little bit. But first, let's just time block the month in a sense that what all important things we have planned for the month. If anywhere you have to go for any appointments or for anything particular, you just have to mention that my father's birthday is on 12th of May, so I'm going to mark that. For me personally, I like to use this calendar page as my content planner as well. So I'm going to also plan out my content for the month, which I'm not going to show you guys obviously, so I'll just blur it up. So I have just ended up planning out my content calendar for the month of May. I'll come back to the main page later on, but for the time being, let's come to the monthly goals page. And in this we have study or professional goals. We're going to write everything, and then we have personal goals. We have any other goals that you might have, so you'll just mention the goals over there. Starting off with my study goals, my main goal for this month will be to study in the morning as well as in the night time every single day. So that's my main study goal for the month, and I'm just going to write that down. My another study goal is going to be to complete financial reporting as much as I can, and just push a little bit further into completing the subject. Okay, now my another study goal for the month is that I want to start with audit, so I'm going to also write that down. So these are the main three goals that I have for the month. I'm just going to leave it there. Now, as of my personal goals, I want to stop going to the gym, and I want to be at home and do home workouts at least for the next 1 year, simply because I don't have the time to go to the gym, and I don't want to take out time from my studies for that, because for this 1 year I want my studies to be my top priority. So we are skipping the gym and doing home workouts. So that is one of the goals that I have. And another personal goal of mine is to balance out my studies with my content creation. So I do want to post on YouTube something that can be beneficial for you guys as well. So we're going to be doing a lot more study related content on my YouTube channel for this upcoming 1 year at least. So I'm going to write that down. Another personal goal of mine is to do meditation every single day, or at least a minimum of once every 2 days. So I'm going to write that down. The last section, I don't have any other goals as of right now, so I'm not filling that in. Okay, now next, coming on to my study planner for the month. This is fun, and my monthly goal is obviously to do as much FR as I can. This is the biggest goal for this month. Next up is steps. So what all I need to do to make sure that I complete my goal, I'm going to write the steps. Now the steps are going to be obviously waking up early and studying. Now the next part is I want to write down my weekly targets, and I will be brainstorming this one a little bit later because I'll be doing this on my own time and you guys can do the same. And then we have the rewards. So what all I will be rewarding myself with. I personally really like the idea of a reward system, and I'm going to be rewarding myself with cafe study dates. Another one is going to be I will be buying something luxury in the skincare if I complete my study goals for the month. So I'm going to write those two things. Okay, so we are done with this page as well. Now next up we have the vision board page. So let's just go on Pinterest and draw out the inspiration or the vision for the month of May. This is going to be super fun, and this is like one of my most favorite things to do. So I am just on Pinterest and I have found a really nice pin that I want to say. So that's how my vision board page looks like. I kinda had to take a little break because my phone was going crazy, but let's just ignore that. And now we are doing the weekly planner page, and in this page we are going to be obviously planning out our week. I'm very excited about this part because once you have a planned week, like nothing can stop you from achieving your goals. Then we have the top priorities of the week. Now this particular thing I added because I feel we have so many things that we need to get done, but there are certain things that are obviously more important than the others, so prioritizing helps a lot. I can make an entire different video for you guys to understand the importance of prioritization and prioritization in your life. Let me know if you guys would be interested in that. But for the time being, I am going to be like mentioning my top 3 or 4 priorities for the week, because if I get these few things done, I will be fully satisfied with myself, because those are going to be the things that matter the most to me on that particular week. And yeah, so I'm just going to mention out my top priorities, which are going to be waking up early. I am doing a 30 days challenge of waking up early, and you guys can also become a part of it. I will leave the free template for this in the description bar below, and you guys can go and download it and become a part of this. So my top priority is waking up early and studying in the morning, so I'm going to write that down. Okay, another thing that is going to be a priority is me revising what I study, or like me revising everything that I studied during the week on the weekend. Another priority is going to be sleeping at a decent time and just like having a consistent sleeping routine. Now I'm just going to be like planning my week on the surface level. Yeah, so for this I'm going to be using this weekly page, and then we have the daily page for every single day, which I'll show you guys, but I won't be filling that in right now. I'll just show you guys that. So we don't have anything on Monday and then on Tuesday because the month starts from Wednesday. Just going to write in what I need to get done. So this line represents me shooting a video. So that's how my weekly planner page looks like. Next up we have the daily routines page, which I'll just summarize to you guys what this is. So we have the morning activities that I want to get done, and like I can do like 2 or 3 of these and I will be very happy with myself. So we have waking up at a certain time, then we have the morning study session, list things that I'm grateful for. If I've listed it somewhere, I will be mentioning that. Then we have the daily movement, then read and morning affirmations, and then some space if you want to add in something else. Then we have the night activities that I want to get done, which is unwinding, catching up on my hobbies, journaling, plan for the next day, night study session, visualize and meditation. So these are a few of the things that I want to do every single day, or like I can just like pick out 2 to 3 things for every week and I can just do those things, which will be better than doing nothing, and also better than doing everything and not giving my studies the priorities that they deserve. Again, finding balance is very important, so that is what I am planning to do here as well. Then we have the weekly planner page, which I'm just going to summarize to you guys what this is. So on the daily planner, we have first thing that you should be like journaling your thoughts. So I've just added that reminder there. Then we have the today's affirmation, goal of the day, to do priorities of the day, then a thought dump section, and then we have the morning rituals checklist. And then at the end of the journal, we have these brain dump pages wherein you can literally do a brain dump. Just like put out all of your thoughts from your brain on the sheet of paper and you will feel way better. So we have that, and then 2 empty pages for anything that you might want to add into the journal or into the planner. You can do that over here. So guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed planning your month with me. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you guys like the planner that I've created for all of us. And I will see you guys in my next video. Please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and follow me over on my Instagram. I will be posting a lot more stuff over there. Also, you guys, I am planning to do live study with me sessions on my YouTube channel. So please just give me a time for that whenever you guys would be available for it, because I wanted to do it with you guys and it would be super fun that way. So that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.